Hello friends, welcome to my tutorial on calculating the value of forward contract. See, there are two aspects. One is the value of forward contract, another one is price of forward contract. In this problem, I am teaching you the price of a forward contract. Okay. Even in the forward contract, you need to learn there are three things. One is the forward contract straightforward problem, that is spot price is given, interest rate is given, then you multiply that, you will get the future price. Then the spot price is given, dividend also is given, then you take the spot price minus your dividend, then you multiply with your interest, then you will get the future price. Then third, the dividend yield is given, okay, the percentage is given. Then what you do, then you take the spot price, okay, then you minus the yield from the risk free rate, then you multiply, you will get the future price. There are three concepts, okay. One is straightforward problem, another one is dividend is given, third thing dividend yield is given, okay. Now this is a problem where dividend is given, okay. Now let's read the problem for you. Calculate the price of a forward contract using the following data, okay. The price of the share is equal to 75, okay. Time 9 months, dividend 2.20, okay. Continuously compounded risk free rate 12%. Now first step for us to do is, okay, calculate the present value of dividend. What do we do? Calculate the present value of dividend. Now how do we calculate the present value of the dividend? You take the dividend 2.20, okay, multiply by e to the power of minus RT. Now what is e? E we know always it is 2.714. R is equal to what? In the case of a dividend, time to expiration is 4 months. Okay, risk free rate is 12%. So take 12% multiplied by 4 months, which you will get 0.12 into 0.33, which is nothing but 0.396. So what do you do? 2.20 into 2.714 to the power of minus 0.0396, which you will get 2.20 into 0.961. Okay. Now 0.2, that if you multiply, you will get 2.1147. Okay. You will get 2.1147. Now we calculated 2.1147. Now what do we need to do to step to future value? Future value, as I told you, in the case of spot minus your dividend, you have to do spot minus your dividend. So what do we do? Spot minus dividend is equal to 75. We know the price, 75 minus 2.1147. No, 2.1147, how do you get? You first calculated the present value of dividend, so that you minus 75 minus 2.1147, you will get 72.8853. Then we know already the formula, E is equal to the power of RT. See, please understand, in the case of present value of dividend, we do e to the power of minus RT. In the future value, we do e to the power of RT. 2.74 multiplied by 0.12 into 9 by 12. How do we get 9 by 12? T is equal to 9 months it's given. What do we given? 9 months. R is equal to, we know, 12% per annum. So multiply that, you will get 0.09. So we know 2.714 into the power of 0.09 is equal to 1.0942. 1.0941. Now we know 72.88 into 1.0941. 72.88, how did you get? 75 minus 2.1147, you minus, that is your spot minus your dividend, okay. Then whatever that you minus, then if you multiply that one, you will get 79.740037, okay. Now as I very clearly told you, there are, okay, you have to calculate a number of things, okay. That is forward price, okay, forward price, okay. Step 1, with no dividend, then with the dividend, then 3, with dividend percentage. So we calculated all the three methods. Now we will work out the next problem with reference to the value of forward price. Okay, so by this I will end this chapter.